Hello everyone, welcome back to this lecture. In this lecture, I will discuss the concept which I discussed earlier in previous lecture, such as string, list, tuple, set and dictionary, and what is the key difference between them. This lecture you can consider as a summary of a lecture which I taught you in previous lecture. So let us start this lecture. So first, string. String is a sequence of characters. This can be defined through single quote, double quote, as well as multi-line, triple quote. When we have a multi-line text, we can use the triple quote, triple single quote, triple double quote. Let me take a pen. First, yeah, let me take a pen. Okay. So we can define through single quote, double quote, as well as triple line, triple quote. When we have multi-line text, we can uh, we can access the string as well as slice them string. Suppose I have a equal to a is assigning the hello is a string, so we can access the this string character. Like I mentioned here, 0 is the index number. I can access it. In this lecture, I will not go into deep because I have already taught you this concept. This lecture, it is a summary, so I will go very fast. A0, A0 is index number, and we can get a H here. H is the answer of that. And it also go through the slicing. Like slicing is nothing but we get a range of character. In case of string, we are talking. So one colon two, it means one is inclusive, second is exclusive. So we will get here H. Suppose I mention here one, two, three. So it means we get H E. No, it is one. So we will get here E. Sorry, he will get E. Here we'll get E L. E L. Okay, and we can find out the length of the string using a len function. And there are a number of methods we can apply over the strings. For example, I want a string which is should be in uppercase, so we can use the upper method. If I want lowercase string, so you can do the lower method. And if you want to remove the white spaces from a string, so you can use the strip method. If you want to string split the text using a separator, you can use the split method. If you want to replace the character, use the replace method to replace the character with the other character. If you want to join the string, you can use the plus operator. Suppose I have a string string 1 and string 2. You want to join it, so you can use the plus operator. If you want to formatting the string, you can use the f string. It is very highly recommended. Try to use it. And there is a extra character. I will explain this here. Suppose I choose a different pen. Yeah, I choose here. Suppose I written a hello. I use a double quote. Hello, am. I use a double quote. If I use here double quote as well, so it will lead to error. I have to use here single quote here. Yeah, I have to use single quote here. We cannot use the same here. We can use a single or double. If you want to use double both side, so you can use the except character to avoid the error. To avoid the error, you can use the except character to avoid the error. And move to the other topic, that is list. List, tuple, set, and dictionary are the four built-in data type in a Python. That is very useful. You have to understand it very clearly. List is a, let me take a pen. Okay. A list is a used to store the multiple item in a single variable. Like I have defined the string through the square brackets. I can access the item through the uh, writing a index number in a square bracket. and use the slice to get a range of values. I can apply the over the lot of methods. If I want to add a number in, you can use the append method. If you want to insert at a particular index number, you can use insert method. If you want to add a iterable and other list, you can use the extend method. If you want to remove it, so you can use the remove method. If you want to remove a particular number, like I want to remove the 3, so you can remove the 3. You can use the pop method at what index you want to remove the item. You can use a delete keyword, which is used to deleting the list. If you want to copy it, you can use the copy method. If you want to sort the list, you can use the sort method. And we can go through the list through loop by item. If you want to write a concise list, list comprehension is a short syntax which is used to create a new list from a existing list by performing some operation. It is a very concise way. Try to use it. And negative indexing, in this, I explained earlier as well. Suppose I have 2, 3, 4, 5 is a list. Index number start from 0, 0, 1, 2, 3, the positive indexing. If you want to read from the left to right, right to left, you have to take a negative indexing, -1, -2, -3, so -5. Okay, and move to the next topic. Yeah, tuple. Tuple can be defined through the tuple can be defined through the round brackets. Okay, you can access the item through the by mentioning the index number in a square bracket, and you can slice it also. You can also apply here negative indexing, but it is unchangeable. This is a very important property of a tuple that distinguishes from the set, distinguishes from the list. Okay, so it is unchangeable. We cannot change it. It can be unpack it, and we can go through the item through for loop, and we can join the tuple. If we have a two tuples, we can join through plus operator. Okay, uh, and in case of fourth point is unchangeable, but we can add and remove the item when we know converting the tuple into the list. When performing operation, then converting back into the tuple. So this is a short trick I have explained in a previous lecture. So move to the next set. Set is defined through the curly braces, as I mentioned here, and there is no indexing and slicing because it is unordered. As we define the set with certain items, their order will change and we execute a code. So we can apply a number of methods like add, update, remove, discard, pop, removing item, union. If we have two sets, we can use the union method to find it. Like we can remove the duplicate values. Intersection we are getting is common items. We can go through the loops through for loop. In dictionary is a we can define it through curly braces, and main property is that we can use it key and value pair. Data are arranged in the format of key and value pair. We can access the item, change the item, and add the item also. And we can perform a lot of operation over the uh, dictionary, like keys. We can get the list of keys in a dictionary and get the values through value method, and get the items getting a tuple, and all tuple are in the list. Updating the list through the update method, we can remove the uh, item through the pop method, and deleting a copy. We can go through the item through for loop, and we have explained the nested dictionary, where we have a small dictionary. This dictionary are in the single dictionary. It means having a dictionary within a dictionary. And major major key difference between the four built-in data type in Python is that if I talk about item are order or not. For case of list, it is ordered. In case of tuple, it is order. But in case of sets, it is not order. So we cannot apply here accessing the item and slicing them. But in dictionary, it is ordered. Like if we mention there is an order maintained, and If I talk about second property, it is mutable or changeable. In list, we can change, add, and remove the item, but in case of tuple, we cannot do it. In case of set, we cannot do it also. In case of dictionary, we can do it. We can add, remove, and change the item. If I talk about the duplicates, it allow duplicates or not. In case of list, we can mention the duplicate items in a list. Similarly, for tuples, we can do it. But in case of sets, we are not allowing it. Sets only have a unique items. And in case of dictionary, there is no duplicates. If you can have a value duplicates, but keys are not be duplicate. If you provide a duplicates keys, only last key will remain. And these three properties are very no important and fundamental. Please remember this property because it will very helpful when we build a project. So in this lecture, I summarize the concept which I taught you in previous lecture. Zoom out. Yeah. Okay. So we have done it string, list, tuple, sets, and dictionary. And there are key differences are dictionary are having a key and value pair. Sets are unique. We cannot change it. If you have any query, please comment and I will address your query in the comment section. Thank you so much. If you like it, please like the and subscribe the channel. Thank you so much, everyone.